What is a job shop?
A job shop is where you've got tier one, tier two. They're part of the supply chain, and they provide components to OEMs. So if you think about a engine, you're going to have tier one, tier two that are going to be making those components to make the grand scheme or the bigger product, such as an engine. You know, when I kind of picked up this cup, Area 419, this company has the best American story. You know, started off in a pole barn, and now they have this amazing brand new facility with a GROB in it, you know, making parts for the precision rifle industry. And, you know, they've grown that. So to me, that kind of just showcases, you know, the amazing power of these people that are, you know, providing jobs to the American workforce.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with what's brewing.